Hi, this is Mike B. I'm going to show you a method to enhance your BIRT development. So on my remote machine, I've got the properties file up for a report I'm editing. And I've just defined as an external program, EditPlus. And when I open up that properties file, not this one, but this one here. So I've modified the first line, I've taken it and broken it apart so that it's got its constituents here. I'm going to copy the comments to the top there. So sans what I just highlighted there, that's how the properties file gets generated from Tririga. So what I did is I'm assuming the # is a comment. I've added the object module, business object module, and the query name. And what I did is now I can highlight that and say, let's change the underscores to space in the selection, replace all. So now we have a means of grabbing that query in Tririga directly. And the other thing that I like about this editor is that you can highlight a selection and sort it based on a column. So like here, column 105. Let's see here, 100, 110, 115, 90, 100, 105. So if I highlight that selection and then say sort, and right now it's sorted ascending, I can sort it descending. Change that to 105. And you can see it sorts it just great. Do that again. Back the other way. There we go. And I'm going to save that. Now when I exit here, BIRT's telling me that, well, you've got some changes here. Do you want to use what we had in Eclipse, or do you want to refresh it? And I'm going to say, let's refresh it. And there you can see it's pulled in my changes. So that's it. Now, changes I made here is there's one space between vendor ISA and vendor external. Super. So I'm going to save that. And I'm going to rerun for the vendor internal and external for Duluth. So the other thing I did in this report design is I discovered you can create a pseudo required. So I've hidden this. It's a run arm. If I unhit it, it would come up as a checkbox, but what's happening is it's still being executed. So when we go after take it back, it's not being executed. Let's see if I can get that to unhide. Try it again. Okay, there we go. So now it's prompting me, and I don't have to put anything in. I can just press OK, and it will generate the PDF file in total. And there we go. So this yellow bar is the filter row, and I don't have any filters in place, and we get 35 rows back. When I save it, it always comes up from preview. But if I use that same tool, if I view in the web viewer, let's do that. Now what happens if I export it to PDF? Then it defaults to that name. And it also remembers the folder where I last generated the output, which is great. So I'm going to save that here. And I'm going to generate it again. Excuse me. I'm going to run it again. This time I'm going to set Project Office to FM Duluth. Now we have got 323. I'm going to export that. So there's FM Duluth. Now I'm going to do this project. And then I'm going to go after this ISA. And these are contained, so I think it'll pick that up. Oop. There we go. There we go. It's project number. So if I put that in for the vendor external, and I change this back to null. Oh, it only got part of it. Let's see what happens. It still works. Again, because it's a contained, so. Okay. And that's what I had to show you. I think it's pretty handy. So the properties, you can see that it put in vendor external here and vendor ISA here and standard contract ID. Those are the edits from the default that I edited in. Wish there was a way to change. Oh, no. That's it. Thanks for watching.